Hello, welcome to Sinco tutorials. So in this episode we will be showing you how to install or assemble a chef dipping ice cream cabinet. So firstly we'll like you to, after you unpack your ice cream cabinet, we would like you to find the four holes on each side. After you located the holes, you will be screwing the brackets for each side. There's 4 brackets in total with 8 screws, and you will be putting the larger screws, comes with the package, for these brackets. Do not use a drill or any automatic like machine screwdrivers for these assemblies, so only use regular manual screwdrivers. After you attached all the brackets, you will be prompted to step 2. Put all the rubber bands into the side glass holes and then attach the side glasses as seen in the video. After you attach the side glasses, you're gonna be prompted to step 4. In this step, you will be attaching the back holder. Back holder is one with the smaller holes as seen in the video. There's only 4 holes for attaching the screws. And as you can see, you will be putting the smaller screws into the back holder. Now we are in the 5th step. In this step, we will be attaching the elbows on the side glasses. As you can see in the video as well, you will be tightening them with your hands and it will be evened out, basically aligned, especially the top ones, with the glass. Now it's the 6th step. In this step we're going to be putting the rectangular glasses into the elbows that we just attached to the side glasses. And firstly, we're gonna be doing the straight rectangular cut glass, and the one with the curve will be on top. So let's see how we put that. With the top glass, you will be only putting the first screws in that faces the back of the dipping cabinet, and then the second screws after we put the front glass. We will be putting the front glass holder first. You need to apply a little bit pressure while you're putting this piece in. Make sure you are not putting a lot of pressure, but enough pressure that will put the plastic piece in place. As you can see now, we gently take the front glass and put it in its spot and slowly lay it down against the supporting glasses. And now we are putting the supporting brackets in place, and with these brackets we will be putting the second screws that need to be tightened with the top glass. Now we are at step 10. With this step we will be putting the back side door holder at the top glass. So the one we showed you earlier with the big holes will be going on top. now we are at step 11. We're just gonna put the sliding doors at the back, and congratulations. Hopefully this video helped.